Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have U2 here with Picture of You. Alright, so we're gonna go into this song right away. No different capo here, and we have what I can see, let's see, 5 chords. 5 chords to handle here for Picture of You. So let's start with the chords. We're gonna start with A first. So that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have G next, and that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have D, that goes open D, second G, third B, second E. We have C, and that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally we have the E. And that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we're gonna work with just downs here for this one. So we have one main pattern. We're gonna take a look at that first, and then we have a chorus, and that's pretty much it. All right, so we're gonna start with the main pattern. I can already now say you will work pretty fast with the downs here. All right, so we're gonna play A, 3 downs, G, 2 downs, and D, 2 downs. Then a short pause, that's in the middle, and then you're gonna continue with A, 3 downs, G, 2 downs, so in the same way there, but the end chord will be now E, 2 downs. Okay, so A, G, D, A, G, E. Okay, so you're gonna play A, 3 downs, then G2 and D2, short pause, and then A, 3, G2, and E2, and a pause. So slowly it goes like this for a round. And a couple rounds. Yeah, all right. So there you have it, and with tempo it will sound something like this. And if you miss one down here and there, it doesn't hurt too much. I can just suggest here when you do the chord switches here, so between the A to G, what I do here, I glide up to this position here. I keep that focus on the B string. So I slide up here to this. Okay. So I have that finger already, and then I have that finger, the 3rd fret B string, ready for the D chord. All right, so that round is a little bit easier. So I have more control, so it gets smoother, and in that way even faster. So, and then. Okay. So that is the main round of this one. And if you listen to this song at 2 minutes and 48 seconds into the song, that is the base for playing this pattern here, okay? It could be a little blurry in the middle of the song and all that, but if there at that point, 2 minutes and 48 seconds, you can really hear how it's done, how it's played. So that's how it goes. That's the main pattern. And then 3 times in this song you have the chorus. The first time happens in 1 minute and 16 seconds into the song. Okay, you're just gonna continue the same downs here. Now it doesn't go that fast when it comes to the chord switches. You're gonna play fast downs, but you will stay with the chords longer. Okay, so you're gonna play C, 16 downs in the same tempo. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how I imagine in my head when I play that 16 downs. I don't count them all, but I just feel when it's time. So 16 downs of C, then 16 downs of G, then 16 of D, and 16 of A. You're gonna play that C, G, D, A for 2 rounds. And after that, you're going to finish off with C, 16 downs, and then 1 down on D, and a big pause. That pause leads to the main pattern again. So, to summarize the chords, it was C, G, D, A, 16 downs per chord for 2 rounds. And then after 2 rounds, you're going to play C16 and 1 down on D, like this. And the ending now. And a big pause there. All right. So there you have the chorus. Then you're going to go back to the main part and play that till 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Then you're going to play the chorus again. Then you go back and play the main part. And then at final point there, the 2:56 timestamp mark, you're going to play the final chorus part. The choruses are all played in the same way. And after you play this last chorus here, right after you play that 2 rounds of C, G, D, and A, you're going to play a post-chorus part. Okay? Yeah, and of course, you're going to play the C16 and the 1 down on D as well. You're going to play the post-chorus part, and that continues with C16, D16, back to C16, G16, and 1 down on D. So as soon as you play that C, G, D, and A in the final chorus, then you're going to play C, D, C, G, and 1 down on D. So the post-chorus part goes like this. And after that final down there, you go back to main part, the A minor G D, A minor G E, and play that till the very end. And that, my friends, wraps it up for U2's Picture of You. Thank you for support, guys. I really appreciate everything you can do for me. Leave me a comment if you like this one. Subscribe to this channel, and see you soon. Till then, play tuned.